To transfer your existing information and photos over to the new Tree Workbook version 3.0, please do the following steps. First, make a backup copy of your current version of the Family TreeXcel folder. This is just a safety measure in case anything goes wrong during the update process. To do this, right-click on your entire Family TreeXcel folder, select Copy, then right-click anywhere on your desired location and select Paste. This backup copy can now be ignored unless something goes wrong and you need to restart the process. Second, go into the folder of your current Family TreeXcel version and completely delete the backup subfolder. To do this, double-click on the File folder, then right-click on the Backup subfolder, then select Delete. The third step is to download the new Family TreeXcel version 3.0 zip folder. You should have received an email with a link to download this zip file. The fourth step is to extract these following items from your Family TreeXcel version 3.0 folder to your existing Family TreeXcel directory. First is the entire backup subfolder, and second is the Family Tree version 3.0 Excel workbook file. The easiest way to do this is to drag those files from the version 3.0 zip folder to your current Family TreeXcel directory. Once this is completed, you can now ignore the Family TreeXcel version 3.0 zip file. It is recommended to keep this as a backup just in case it's ever needed in the future. The fifth step is to open the Family Tree version 3.0 Excel file that you just moved over. Be sure to enable content and macros if prompted. The sixth and final step is to double-click on Import Data on the Tree worksheet, then choose to import an existing tree. Select Yes to the prompt, then select the existing Tree Excel file whose data you want to transfer over. Once selected, all your data will move over to the new 3.0 workbook. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a minute or so please be patient. Once completed, you should be on your home person and all your data and pictures should now be connected. You're now fully updated to version 3.0. You have the option to delete your old Tree workbook at this time. A backup was already saved in step 1, so you should no longer need it, but this is your choice. You can see the version 3.0 new features video for all the latest options. If you have any questions or problems with this process, please email Mike at familytreexcel@gmail.com.